Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my crispy chicken wings. Chicken wings are always a favorite in my house. We don't need an occasion to eat them. But after being diagnosed with Hashimoto's, I learned that I could still enjoy them as long as I was using compliant ingredients. I'm going to start by sharing how I prep them for cooking, followed by 2 methods for preparation. I'm going to share how I air fry and pan fry the chicken wings. Now that I've shared both methods, which do you prefer, the air fryer or the pan frying method? Both are bomb, but I actually prefer to air fry my chicken wings. It is a less messy option and less greasy because the excess oil drains to the bottom compartment of the air fryer. I love how crispy they get without losing out on flavor. So now that I've shared, let me know which method you prefer in the comments below. Thanks for watching.